Now, what the heck was I gonna do?
A very fieldish field. Kind of a field day.
Amazing!
Okay.
Okay, let me help you build up this farm in rock. Oh, there's tool rocks!
Feel bad for the government bunnies, but like.
Man, thank God you guys finally got here. The archers are on their way, so if there is an imposter, they gotta be outside of the wall. But even then, they probably won't get far. Yeah, I know. He's still here. Still alive. But we still gotta get the baker back. I'm gonna go get more money.
Imagine baking things.
Don't you actually bake? How did we lose so much bread? Oh, I wasn't watching my side. Oh man, we got a bunch of new farmers. What?
I had 3 coins extra.
Man, all this running around. These knights must be so tired of this. You're probably right. They're just so annoyed. Jiminy Christmas. Wow, what a power move. To actually be able to build all of that in one sitting. And not be attacked. No! It's fine. We did it once, we could do it again. Just blow it away. Man, but now we gotta worry about the boar. It could be anywhere.
There's a boar?
Yeah. You don't remember the boar?
I don't remember the boar.
What? It chased you.
Oh yeah, the boar.
Whoops.
Is it here?
They're everywhere. Only during the winter.
Oh. That's neat.
These are some resilient crops. There's snow on the ground and it's still growing.
Must be Dim's fertilizer.
Them's fertilizers! A dude named Them created a fertilizer that'll work in the winter. Now that is revolutionary for this day and age. That's like a greenhouse, but without the greenhouse.
But now we're just imagining, like every time somebody just says them, it's like they're actually referring to a dude. Like, must be them's wheels. And like, the same dude named Them made wheels.
The innovator!
Must be them's new bows. money
Yes.
with the very strange snow plants.
Snowgrass. Yeah. I thought it was a real thing, but like I feel like I've heard snowgrass before, but I think I'm just losing it.
I'm pretty sure there are winter plants.
There are.
I can't think of any because of that. We ain't getting
Is it just me or like we've been doing great, but like the conditions have just been. It feels like it's really trying to get on our nerves at this point.
Oh yeah, it's been awful, but like.
It's been unquestionably awful, but like, yeah, I see what you mean.
It's absolutely horrible, but like, it's pretty alright. Not sure how these farms are still going, but like,
Me neither.
that's pretty neat. I sure hope they stay this way.
How do we keep losing bread? Nice. Nuts!
Huh?
I was running back to do a quick thing, but like, a dude literally ate bread right in front of me.
That's a first class offense.
There were 3 people. Oh, I think I know what was going on. The reason why all of the things are gone is because the pikes kept breaking their spears. So then they kept getting reclassed as farmers.
Well, that's pretty neat.
Oh. Hold on, I think that's a golden opportunity right there.
Man, I forgot how far we went. Because of the boat.
Well, actually, from what I'm seeing, it's technically still fall if there are leaves on the trees still.
Right here.
Never mind, winter literally just started. The water wheels have frozen over. And I wasted my money on 4 towers. Not 4, 2 towers. They're level 4, 5. Whoops. Yeah, now we got berries. We got berries, dude.
Where are the berries?
Right there, literally outside behind all those people.
There's berry here.
Yeah. See, right there.
I know there's a bee here.
Sorry.
No, it's fine.
Oh.
It was just bee movie anyway.
I was...
I think they deserved an actual reaction. Like, that was just... No.
It's so out of the way.
It's the least important thing. You know, he's important though.
Yeah.
Kittens.
Yeah, agreed. Hands down!
Because if they were kittens, they wouldn't eat cats.
Who came first, the cat or the kitten? Does that question really matter?
I don't know. I'm not sure who asked that question anyway.
Can't both just exist? Don't need that.
I'm not sure.
Yo! I don't know. Some dude named Steve.
No, I guess it was the kitten.
A dude slipped by.
Because if it was the cat first, then I don't think it would ever have been, which is the weird. So surely it was the kitten first.
Launch an attack.
What? I don't have money for that.
Okay. I'll do it.
Wait, but the farmer.
Nuts.
My berries.
Might as well get this to
What
level
about your
4.
money?
Don't sweat it, dude.
I'm gonna sweat everything. Actually, no, that's weird. It just sounds nasty. Bless you.
Oh. No! A dude's about to get bread. I don't have a coin. Yeah! Oh my god.
What?
The taxman took my coin.
Can I still make it?
No.
Okay.
That's just dumb. He's dumb. I swear, he's like the greatest. He's our greatest asset, but like, he's so. Can I just put a coin in front of you without having to worry about it being stolen?
He likes to have money fights. What can you say?
Can we not walk by him and... Actually, you know what? It's not the same guy, but they all look the same, so they're all probably related. And there's probably a whole family where just like, dudes, let's prank the monarchs. Here's the deal. They walk by us, we throw them an entire bag of money. And if they drop a coin in front of us, we'll just assume it's ours.
But they never expected the money fight.
How many... We've survived 3 winters, right?
I don't know. I want to keep a track.
Like, I know there was the one where we were just waiting, and then we had that one where we just showed up on an island, and now this is our 3rd winter. So, like, we survived, like, 3 years in this game, technically.
I love this hamburger.
Get him.
Did I get him?
You sure are losing spears? Yeah, dude, your little line is charging forward. You're losing spears. Buy more?
Like it's not like I can tell them to like stop opening. I mean, I kind of wish I could. Yeah, I said enough though.
Can you imagine what it would be like to be walking around here?
What?
Like a...
Snow?
No! I mean in like a 3D Kingdoms game.
Oh.
Like being able to see all these awesome structures and crisp 3D-ness. I mean, it's definitely a change of pace because, you know, 2D.
Oh, man, I feel like this is part of its charm.
Yeah.
Should I do this next? Or
Yeah.
when I'm ready?
Launch. Launch! I'll help out. If need be. We're doing this in the snow.
Oh, yeah.
It wasn't very nice. What is beyond this wall, I wonder?
What wall?
I mean, this portal.
What do you mean?
I wonder what lies beyond here. Well, I mean, the beach is the end goal.
I don't know. It's probably just the same place.
We might get the unicorn there. But useless right now in the winter. Why you a sleepy sheep?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, dude!
What? Where?
Right here by me.
Bongo.
What about him?
Bongos.
I miss the old days when the dudes was just camping in front of the castle when winter came around.
What did you know?
They just sit in their little dirt. Oh, Nelly. No! The catapult! Oh, wait, they actually got it back? Holy smokes, they retreated just in time. Okay, wow, that was quite the retaliation. They destroyed an entire wall. I lost all my spear guys again. It couldn't have been avoided. I'll just take another loan. Another loan.
Every time, but this time you want it.
Wah! Wah!
Yeah, there's the other.
Seriously?
Yeah, there's the other.
That's not that far.
Yeah, there's one right there. Just a little bit.
Just a itty bitty little way.
I can never tell how many of them I miss.
My neither. It's all good.
This game is too many pixels.
I think it's just because there's a lot of people.
Yes, all the pixels.
Spearfish for me! I just realized, do the knights that we take to the portals, would they technically be classified as heroes? I mean, we are monarchs, so I guess we do have that call. So I'm gonna assume that every person that came with us is they're basically heroes at this point. Don't have money.
I mean,
I finally reached the end of my rope. The sounds of coins are so relaxing and so rewarding. Hmm?
Then they picked up the money.
I mean, they definitely earned it. Oh wait, some of those guys are new. There's also something we gotta take into accountability.
Well, he didn't earn
Not yet. Definitely the nights before. Like, we didn't lose a single one.
it. It's weird.
That's not weird, that's amazing.
How they do that though?
They're nights. The charm of this game is unparalleled. There's not a word is being said. It's mostly just from the ghosts anyway.
Too bad horses can't speak English.
This whole time it's being narrated from the perspective of the griffin and the horse. It's like a crazy novel.
Although it mostly be the griffin then, because I just said too bad horses can't speak English. Actually, it would entirely be the griffin. Unless one of these two horses could. Minimal posture.
Well, that was shut in. Just some funky things going on in Funktown. Yeah. Hmm? No, I'm good. Appreciate the thought. There's two giants. No!
What?
What a maneuver! You threw a boulder at the tower guys.
Did it actually hit him?
Yeah, it knocked two of them out.
This guy threw a boulder at me too, but it hit the wall.
That still does huge damage.
Not enough to destroy it though. I'm happy about that.
All right, let's start accumulating more money so we can launch another attack. Next time, though.
Oops.
It's okay. It was literally perfect. Right on the nail instead of 30 billion seconds over.
Sick.